Hello kids! Welcome to our fun English video. Today we're going to learn the name of animal. Are you ready? Let's go! This is a dog. Say it with me. Dog. Dog love to run and play. This is a cat. Say it. Cat. Cat like to sleep and purr. This is a rabbit. Rabbit loves carrots. Yes, rabbits love carrots. This is elephant. It's very big and has a long trunk. This is a lion. The lion is the king of the jungle. This is a monkey. See it? Monkey. Monkey loves banana. This is a zebra. Zebra. See it? Zebra. It has a black and white stripe. This is a cow. Cow. Cows give us milk. Yes, cows give us milk. This is a chicken. Say it. Chicken. Chicken lay eggs. Yes. Good job. Now you know many animal name in English. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun videos. See you next time. Bye bye.